Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Emporio Armani EA7 Crusher Knit. I think that's what it's called. The Crusher Knit shoes. This is the black and white version. There's also black and gold, white and gold, white and there's a mixture of colors basically. I really wanted the black and gold one. That looked amazing, but the price was too high. So yeah, these are originally £170, but currently they're on sale for £90. And I needed a shoe for quite a while because the Nikons are shit. The 270s are very bad. They didn't even last 6 months, guys. They started breaking apart in like 3 months. That's how bad the build quality on the Nike 270s are. But yeah, I ran it for about a year because they're expensive, them shoes, you know. Cost more than a bloody Armani's. But the shoe build quality is shit. That's why I prefer Adidas. But yeah, that's another story for another day. Today we're looking at Armani. So it comes in a nice black box. Very nice actually. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Right, so as you can see, 165 on Armani website is 170, and yeah, after sale is £90 right now. So I did put in for size 11 UK. I'm either size 11 or 12, I don't know. It depends on the brand of the shoe, because Adidas is I'm always lower, Nike I'm bigger. So on the Nike I'm 12, Adidas I'm 11, on Puma I'm 13, which is weird. And then these shoes, well, hopefully it's the right size, otherwise a headache. I have to do exchange or something. So yeah, this is the UK 11 black and white training sneakers. So I believe these are mesh shoes, like a mesh style. There you go, another Armani sign. Nothing else on the bottom. Let's see what the inside looks like. Very nice. Got the brand in here. I'll show you that. Got the branding there. Wow. Oh shit, they actually look better than I thought, guys. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. In the pictures don't do justice. On the pictures on the JD website, they look awful. Not awful, but like this bit here looks so big. But it's just a normal shoe size. Oh my god, that is nice. For £90, you can't go wrong, guys. And it's got like a... Oh, I like that. It's got like a sock style. Do you know, at the end it turns into a sock like that, a bit like that. Ooh, material is nice as well. Oh shit, look at that. It's like gel. Okay, so far I'm very impressed, as you can tell from all my swearing and all that. Sorry about the swearing, it's just how it is. But yeah, I'll try to be better, guys. But yeah, look at that, guys. That is beautiful. But yeah, the black and gold one, all this is gold and everything, it looks beautiful. But yeah, one reason I bought this also is because there's no videos on this. There's not one video on this, guys. This exact colorway, and there's not even these crushers. There's not any videos on them anyway. Don't know why that is, because they're pretty decent shoes to look like anyway. Let me take this off. Let me take this out and we'll have a look at the shoe properly. Hopefully they fit, because I can't be asked with the headache of returning, exchanging, all that stuff, you know. Alright, so let's have a look from the side. Okay, so the side got the Armani logo printed in there. Looks really nice. This, on the pictures, on JD pictures, this looks huge, but it's not. It's actually decent size, as you can tell. Looks alright, that, not bad. Got the crusher sign there, crusher distance. So it's this for like sports shoes, which is what I wear anyway all the time, like trainers. Okay, EA7. I've got my flash on, so none of it's reflective, as you can tell. I thought this one might be. Oh yeah, this is reflective, just a bit there. This one tab is reflective. None of the rest is. Okay, so you got the EA7 sign there, Emporio Armani. Got big sole there, so it might add a few bit of height to you, which is good. It's always good to be a bit taller, I guess. Got, oh, so one of my complaints with shoes is the grip is terrible on loads of these sports shoes, the grip is absolutely terrible. But with this one, you got different type of grooving, so it might have some decent grip on this one, which is good. Look at that, pretty deep as well on these ones. So yeah, might not be slipping around in these ones. That's good. You got some breathable mesh there. Well, the whole shoe is breathable mesh, but there's like holes in it, so you got some more air going through there. It's like a bit of a design. EA7 logo there, engraved in, nice there. So all the attention to detail, that's really nice. Okay, and then look here. So on this side you got the line going through it, and you got these nice little signs, as you can tell, the eagle sign in like a nice pattern. I like that. And then you go to the back, you got the strap, you got the reflective logo there. Alright, let's go from the top front view. So you got these laces, they're like flat ones, which is really nice. I like flat laces. They're easy to tie, very easy to tie, and like they don't break apart as easily. So yeah, it's a very flat design. Can you see how flat it is? Like you can't even look at that. So that's how flat these laces are. That's really nice. Flush, nice and flush. I think this is a bit reflective from what I can tell, just a little bit there. EA7 feels good too. All of this shoe feels very soft. That's what I like. Inside, let's see if it's stretchy. It's got a decent amount of play to it, which is good, because you need a bit of stretchy to get your feet in and stuff. Sole feels good. EA7, look at that. I love that, bro. Oh, that's squidgy. Oh, that's nice. That is amazing, guys. I like that. Very good attention to detail, guys. Let me try zoom in for you, see if it does it better. Yeah, that is really good attention to detail, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, now is the moment of truth, I guess. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Let me try them on, guys. So yeah, I did get my tripod out the garage. It's not the full length one, it's a small length one, but it'll do the job. As you can tell, it's quite smooth, isn't it, guys? So yeah, also the video qualities will be going higher because I'm getting a new phone. Right now I currently record all my videos with the Note 8. So Note, you'll see what I'm getting next actually. I won't ruin the surprise yet. Okay. Oh yes, perfect fit, guys. It's not too tight and it's not loose. Alright, I'm happy with that, very happy with that. Let me put the other one on just before I get too happy. Make sure, double check that they are right, 100% right for me. If so, I'm very happy. I'm size 11 in Armani. It does help that this is like stretchy, which is good. So getting in is quite easy. You stretch it a bit to get in. Bloody hell, I got fat feet, don't I? And there you go. I think that's actually perfect size, guys. And the gel thing, you can't actually feel the gel thing, which is good, even though it's nice and squidgy. Wow, I like it. Yeah, that's what they look like on the feet. Let me just tie this up, I guess. There you go. So yeah, them shoelaces are good as well. Let me make a nice thumbnail for you guys. Or something, let's see. Bloody, I'll move out of the bloody tissue. Look at that, guys. They're decent then. Alright, I'll give you a quick walk around. Oh yeah, bro, these are fucking well comfy. Bloody hell, highly recommend these shoes. The bloody Nike ones are fucking shit. Nike 270s, they cost double this and the fucking dog shit. This is beautiful. Sorry about the swearing. Yeah, look how beautiful they are. Better brand, better comfy and cheaper, guys. You can't go wrong, can you? I guess thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.